Lumilipad siya! Lumilipad siya! Hala! Hala! Ang cute! Oh, bye na! Ay! Ay!
Yay! Kailangan siya.
Ang bait.
Kahapon si Gabi.
Lumilipad siya, lumilipad siya. Ewan. Yeah, I'm live. Say hi. Guys, what if wala?
Let's go to Miniso na lang.
Miniso? May Miniso ba here?
Yeah, because I saw someone holding a
Miniso
Miniso.
paper bag.
Yeah.
Siguro feeling ng mga tao, ano ko kayo lahat? I-vlog na nga lang natin para hindi mukhang masyadong nakakahiya. Ito yung panganay. Tapos, ayun yung pangalawa. Ayun yung... Ay! Hi po! Sige po.
Hi, MG.
MG po. Hi, MG. Hello po.
Sorry, hindi makakasama sa Cebu.
Ay, hindi ka pupunta. O, wag na. Ititigil na namin yun.
Nakita ko sa video.
Ay, sorry. Ayan. Sige po.
Kala ko sa CSO kasi hindi ko.
Ah, CSO ka? Really? Dito ka na ba?
Sabi ko, nanonood ako. Nasa GH ka? Sabi ko, wait, familiar yung tiles. At sa rin kasi story. Saan ko kayo punta?
Sa Toy Kingdom. Saan ba yun?
Tiles in the...
Ayun.
Toy Kingdom. Sa baba. Sa baba.
Bye!
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye po! Ang cute nila, oh. How about Travis? You say...
Rocky.
Bye po! Alay! Alay! Ay! Talaga! Iniwan na ako! Iniwan na ako! Wait! Hala, ba talaga ng araw ko? Sila. Alam nyo ba, hindi ako mahilig sa candy. Share ko lang. Pero nung bata ako, lagi ko yung nadadaanan. Hindi ako bumibili kasi mahal. FB10. Okay, ayan na sila. Diyos ko po, Diyos ko po. Tingin tayo kung magkano na yung mga toys na yun. Magkano yung ganito? 999. Pwede, no? Eto. O, anong target mong bilhin? Kakamot ka pa dyan. Anong gusto mo bilhin? What do you want? Don't know yet. Mga 1 hour kami dito, guys. Tingnan natin yung isang contestant. Hi! Anong bibilin mo? What are you gonna buy? Secret.
I think I saw my classmate.
Where? Oh, you say hi.
She's in line.
Ay, kawawa. Baka hindi mo naman classmate, bro. Hoy, guys. Ano lang may time limit Faster.
20 minutes.
Okay.
No, it's 100 minutes.
I'm bored eh. Ay, ayun yung isa. Ayun yung isa. First Dino Bam Bam, sabi. Ito yung sundan natin. Tingnan natin to anong bibili nito. Shh! Ay! Uy! Balik mo yan! Ay, walang bigat. Pawis ka na. I don't know. It's my first time here. O, tara. Hanap tayo. Hanap tayo, Dino. Niyan, Dino! Hala, ate. Ibalik mo yan.
Is it that one?
Nalaglag.
Okay.
Oh. Put it back. Oh, iniwan ako pagkatapos magkalat. Talaga. What's that? Roller blade? Ano ba tawag dyan, Bam Bam?
Rollerblades.
This is so cute. You want?
Yeah.
Okay. Really? Of course. How about see?
The pink one or the blue one or this?
Walang black. Wanna check other colors? Oh, there ay, parang pang boy, no?
Yeah. It's for Batman eh. What is the other?
You want that? The roller, ano yun?
Yeah.
Roller blade?
If you buy me that,
Oh.
I'm gonna love you so much.
Bro, if I don't have money, will you still love me?
Yes.
Oh, let's not buy na nga. Hello po.
Yeah. I really want.
You really like that? Okay. Anong color? Parang I like this color. Go. Yeah. Your pawis na. How about Brooklyn? Gusto rin ba niya yan? You ask her if gusto niya. Wish, quiet. Ano te, bahay? Anong It's okay. I like that more. Para magamit niyo.
I don't use it. You know what I do?
Oh.
I just wanna.
You just what? Wala.
Chocolate.
Okay, I'm bored na. Bye, guys. You know what? You should get a cart.
You can tell us like someone said to me, sheesh.
Wow, feeling. Kasi naka-heels ka, tas nasa Toy Kingdom ka. Wow! Hi! Okay, magkano to? Diyos ko Lord, 1.5, tas iiwan mo lang. Gusto mo yan? Okay. Oh, what's my name muna? What's my name?
No, his name is Papa.
Me. What's my name? May kuliti siya, kawawa naman. I'm not Auntie Berry. Bye. You don't know my name. Bye.
What do you have? What do you have?
Okay, sige, let's buy it na. Come. Kiss muna. I love you. Ate, kuha ka ng cart. Grabe naman yung pawis mo. Kawawa. Kawawa naman may kuliti. Siguro naninilip to. Char. Oh, there oh. May ayaw mo Hello Kitty na lang? You like that? How about this one na lang, Bam Bam? Ay!
Nagulat. Ay, sundo.
Sorry! Aray, nasugat pa ata. Charot. Oh, tara na, tara na. Ayan, oh, lagay mo na dun. Pa! Quiet! Ate, hala! Kung saan-saan ko naririnig ang mga bata. Ayun si Brooklyn. Ito yung isa. What's this? What's this? Lego. Uy, you know what?
One for a time.
You know what? Tori's gonna buy, rollerblades. You want that? Yeah. That one, oh. You want that? Ha? You want then? Hala, hala. Magtago na kaya ako. Naguguluhan ako.
I really want the pink one.
Okay, you ask for your size. Dun oh. Ayun oh. That one. Gusto mo? Ba't yan? Ito, gusto mo? Ito ata yun oh, Bambam.
Or this.
You want this one?
Maybe.
This color? Okay. Paano yan? Yung size kaya? Excuse me po. Yung size po nito, may available. Ano?
67.
67? Hindi ko pa alam eh, yung gantong size. 37.
I want the bike.
What do you want?
I want the bike.
Bike? Asan yung bike?
Here. I want like this.
Oh, wait
I
lang.
like
Wala
this,
nang
yung
size.
color na to.
But I want like
This color. Oh.
Ito daw gusto yung color.
Yeah.
But mom, there's black.
Tingnan mo yung
Oh.
isa dun.
Mom, there's black.
Saan yung black?
May black ba?
Hindi ata yan black. How did you know? Ah, this one na lang. Tingnan mo yung isa. Naguguluhan. You want that one? Oh, sige. Kung ano yung gusto
I
mo.
want like this also.
Wait lang. Try mo muna yung yung size.
Okay, ito.
Parang mas bet ko to, Tori.
Ito.
Ikaw, hindi. Ikaw, anong gusto mo? Oh, yun na lang. Yun yung gusto mo eh. Yung pink na lang daw po. Apo. Okay. Kiss. Kiss. Love you.
It's the one with picture. That's why I see the like.
Pawis ka na yung wipe. Oh, yung isang contestant. Diyos ko po, ayun na siya. Ayun.
Yeah.
Ayun na isa. Lu. Ay! Ba't ganyan yung reaction mo? Uy, careful ha! Bam, careful! Ay, Tori, yun muna. Sukatin mo muna yun. You like that?
I don't know what do I like.
Oh, you choose.
This is not too comfy. I'm gonna keep doing like this. Mama, can I try this other?
Oh, you try other. Yeah. You want that? Meron na ba siya nito?
But it's too hard to control.
Dalawang ano lang yun.
It's too hard.
Oh, you
I
try.
like this more.
Oh, sige.
Hindi ka size ko.
Hingi ka ng size mo. Here ka, Travis. Come here. Here ka. You fit it here. May sumisigaw dun. May sumisigaw dun. Ah.
Hindi na alam ko.
Wait.
Yeah, apat na kasi anak ko eh.
Uy, careful. Hala, si ate mo. Sir, pwede po pa hingi ng size niya?
Kasya sa'yo, Travis?
Is it masikip or not? No? Sure? Eh, pag may socks ka pa. Sure ka ha? Baka mamaya maluwag. Okay. Po! Uwi na ako. Asan na yung isa? Halika, hanap tayo. Ate, tingnan mo yung kay Tori, kung kasha. Let's go. Travis, ikaw, okay ka na doon? O, ba't yung mata mo tumitingin-tingin pang ganun? Oy, careful.
Dirt bike.
You have, nakakabili lang ng daddy mo dun, oh.
What you mean?
Hoy, you have bike na.
No, dirt bike. I don't know what to rent.
Ay. You chill, you chill. You chill. Okay. Hoy, Travis. Ayoko na, Lord. Ayun yung isa. Buti na lang yung isa, tapos na, oh, yung isang bata doon. Tapos na siya. O, ano?
I'm gonna try this one.
Ay! Attitude! Travis, help mo si si Brooklyn. You like it? It's too what? It's the last. You'll get used to it. Pero the size, is it okay?
Buy that.
Yes, I buy it for you. 39? Tori, sure ka ha? Sige. Okay na po. Isang ganyan. Oh, ito na lang. Si Brooklyn na lang. Diyos ko po, pinapawisan na din ako. That one?
I don't know what's better.
Ano ba yung pinagpipilian mo?
I want something that can move like that.
Oh, edi, check ka pa. Can you help Brooklyn? Ano daw yung gusto niya? Ay, yung mas okay. Oh, try mo muna dito. Careful ka ha, baka may mabangga. Here, oh.
They will be shocked at me when I go to roller skates. Because my friends don't know I roller skate.
Wow, you know how ba? Ayan, lo. Tori, naka-heels ka talaga. Don't run. You like it na? Ala.
Can I try?
No, you can't. Tingnan mo yung shoes mo. Ano, yan na?
Yeah. So cute.
You like that?
But it's dirty lang.
No, may bago niyan.
Gaga.
Ano? Ano? Sure ka na?
Yeah.
Al-
Thank you.
Wag. Bala kayo dyan. Pag may na-disgrasya, uuwi talaga.
I know how to break.
May break ba yan?
No.
Eh, paano?
I just put my feet like that.
Oh, try it again. Kung okay siya. Dali. From here to there. Go. Galingan mo. Careful! You like it? Oh. Ha? Oh, you check pa. Baka, may iba ka pang gusto. Dali. Tingin ka pa ng ibang color. Baka ibang color yun.
Wait, I don't want to pick out a ball.
Eh, red yan eh. Red ba yan? Po.
I think the one in the right. Look, the one like
Okay. Wow!
the one like this.
Oh, sige, whatever you want.
Pink and
Purple?
mint.
The green one?
Yeah.
Ano ba talaga?
Because there's no available na.
Ay, wala na daw.
Yeah.
O, check tayo saglit.
And I don't like the purple one because it's the purple one naman is dark eh.
Wala na daw.
Size mo yung kulay lang.
Display na lang po, ma'am, yung pink.
Pero
Ah,
yung
yun.
color, ito yung pinili niya. Same size naman.
Ah, okay. Anong color yung pinili niya? Sorry.
Ganito siya, may touch ng grip.
Ah, sige. Tori, this is okay.
I don't like. I just want
Okay.
to do.
Sige, okay na po. Thank you po.
I want this.
Ha? You want this? May stock po nito. Okay.
Thank you, Bonbon.
Ay,
Thank you, Bonbon.
Ito na yan mismo.
Thank you, Bonbon.
okay, I love you.
Love you.
You're welcome.
Thank you,
Scooter
Mom.
sa'yo. Birthday mo ba? Magkano yan?
3599.
Siya yung, sa kanya yung pinakamahal. Wala po. Okay lang po. Hindi na po ako babalik dito. Tara na! Okay na. Lahat po sila meron na.
Ito po, ayan, tsaka yun. Tapos yung isa sa, ayan, basic.
Okay. Let's go.
Ito ma'am. Ito pa ba?
Nasaan si Brooklyn? Brooklyn! Anong tinitig-tig mo pa dyan? Hoy! Ano yun? Tor, Brooklyn, sure ka na doon? Check mo muna.
Try first.
You're sure na?
Try it.
Sure na ha? Tara na.
I'm looking love.
Stop. Stop looking na. Ang mga spoiled brat. You like it? Heavy. What's my name? What's my name?
No, this is Scott.
Kayo, te, may gusto kayo dito? Hi! Hi! Sige, tara. Go, wait lang, wait. Sige, tara. Go, wait lang, wait.
Game story lang.
Sige, tara.
Sexy Tori. Nakahil.
Thank you po.
Bye-bye.
Wait lang, yung gamit ko. Napagod ako. Why? Why sorry?
It's so hard.
Ha?
Said you're not gonna go back. Sorry.
Wait lang, Tori. Pinapawisan mo. Let's go.
Bagsakan lang ah.
Mami na kaya po.
Akala mo talaga nanay ako, no? Ano po?
Hindi na kaya po sila.
Wala. Ano po?
Hindi na kaya po sila.
Wala. Ano po?
Hindi na kaya po sila.
Wala po. Wala. Hindi na po. Hindi pa po nanong pangkain, Tori.
Sarap ba na wala ba?
Wala.
Red color na lang. Pahingin na.
Sabi lang natin.
Ayos din. Pwede po isang plastic per ano?
Separate na lang natin.
Separate na lang.
Separate plastic 1, 2, 3.
Kailan din yun. Kailan din yun. Kailan din yun, di ba?
Hindi kami ng plastic, sir.
It's so mahal. Just kidding. 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 Just kidding.
What? After it's your birthday?
Huh?
It's your birthday after Auntie Trixie?
Yeah, it's my birthday after Auntie Trixie.
We're cooked. Brooklyn, we're cooked.
Anong we're cooked?
Cooked. It's after Auntie Trixie's birthday.
Stroller na lang kay Brooklyn.
We're cooked. Ate, can you fold?
Ako na.
Chicken noodles.
I can do it.
Pang December na.
Hi. How about me? Wala akong gift. How about me, kids? Oh, hug na. What will you say?
Thank you. Sino mo is you?
Cute. Okay, I love you.
Nabubudo by chocolate, yes. Nabubudo by chocolate, yes.
Sinong, si Kuya Baba? May kontak ka sa kanya?
Mirap.
Timera, saan kayo susunduin? Kaya nga, ang dami ng dala, oh. Hala! Eh, di ako pala tatawag. Naka-live kasi ako. O, sige na. Bye-bye. Ako na nagbayad. Ako pa nagbitbit. Wag na.
I'm sorry, Mama.
Okay.
Brooklyn!
Are you want new clothes? You want clothes?
No, nah.
Okay.
Mama. Pipi Kiwi, go. Pipi Kiwi, go. Come, Brooklyn. Mama?
Saan tayo dumaan? Yeah, here. Ay, asan na si ate? Wala na.
Mama, I don't like to go to school.
Ay, ba't may tinitignan kong bawa lalaki?
They're hiding from the boy. Mama, I don't like to go to school.
Aray ko. Sorry, binigyan nila ako free.
I'm sorry.
Oh, why are you saying sorry? Oh, sa'yo na, you want? You want? Chocolate drink.
Sorry, Bamba.
Why ba?
Because I wasted your money.
Oh, balik ko na.
Oh.
It's okay. I want you to be happy.
Kasi 100k na lang I'm gonna steal from my papa.
No, that's bad.
I mean, I'm gonna ask my papa na lang.
It's okay. I love you. That's why I'm working hard. So I can spoil you. I can buy you whatever you want. Oh, pagod ka na? Akin na. Joke! Asa na yung plastic niyan? Akin na yung isa, te. Akin na yung kay Travis. I wanna try this, but I'm on a diet. Yan na naman si Chin.
Hello. Hello. Look at Sydney.
Ang cute-cute ni Chini!
Take a picture with this toy. Another family na. Why are you holding Travis' toy?
It's heavy. Kawawa naman.
Hey guys, let's go here. Mama, Mom, get your water.
Where?
There.
O sige na. Bye everyone. Bye. O sige.